Hello and welcome to our PowerTrack presentation. Today we're going to take a few minutes and look at entering records using an iPad mini and then transmitting those to the PowerTrack server and viewing those records in the web-based PowerTrack multi-level approval process. First thing that we're going to do is log in to my iPad mini. I'm running the Air Server product so you can see exactly what is going on the iPad that a supervisor or foreman out in the field may use. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to clock in our crew. This is an optional transaction, but it gives you a sense of attendance on when your crew started and when they ended. We're going to use the default time of 7:30 a.m. to clock in our crew. I tap the post key. You'll see in the upper left corner that 7 records were created with that single post. And before I clock out, let's put some labor records in. We're going to choose West Coast Apartments, Branch Rough-In, and again, we will choose all of our employees. I could choose one or a couple of employees, or make it easy and choose all of them. We'll put them for 4 hours on Branch Rough-In. I can take pictures, add notes, etc. We're going to post that record, and let's use mobilization, and we'll again choose our entire crew. 4 hours, post. So now I've clocked my crew in, I've posted them to a couple of jobs. Now we're ready to clock them out. We have a default time of 3:30 p.m. If I wanted to use the system time, I tap the clock here. It rolls to 3:40. I'm rolling in 5-minute increments here. And I'm going to choose my crew. Hit done, post, and you can see that I've created the 28 transactions in just a couple of minutes here, which constitute a clock in, a clock out, and a couple of labor transactions. I'm now at the end of my day and ready to transmit records. We see our record count, and I will transmit those to the server. And once those records have transmitted, the supervisor foreman out in the field will see a 0 in the synchronization window, knows that all of his records have transmitted. Now let's begin taking a look at those in the PowerTrack web-based approval process. I'm going to log in, and we're going to log in as Andre. First thing that Andre is going to do is go to the dashboard. He's going to see he has labor records, clock-in records, and clock-out records to approve. We're going to drill into our labor records here, and we can see each member of his crew, the number of hours. He can drill in and look at details. Since we were using an iPad mini, we've got GPS coordinates on each of these records. If there was a memo that we captured, we could see that here. A signature or a photo that was taken, we can see that here. If these meet with Andre's approval, he can tap the select and approve. Now those items have been approved. If he wants to review his already approved records, he can see with a check mark they're already approved. He can no longer edit these at his level after he's approved. We go back to the dashboard. He'll now see that he's got 12 records to approve, and he also has the ability to approve from a summary level without going into detail. Some of the other items that you can do from the multi-level approval process is in the web client you can actually create records. So instead of using an iPad or Android device, you can use a web client to create the records. Manage employees, manage jobs, manage the tag lists, and also view reports. This is a listing of the standard reports that are built into the system. We use Crystal reports, so you can edit these reports, add to these reports, or have us add items to this report list for you. Again, the dashboard is kind of the home base for the approval process, and it is a multi-level approval process. If you have any questions, please contact any member of the PowerTrack team, and you can reach us at www.compc.com/PowerTrack. Thank you very much, and make it a great day.